Sixth problem. If x square minus 1 is a factor of ax power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. Children, here we have two polynomials. One is fourth degree polynomial and another one is second degree polynomial. Okay, and the second degree polynomial is a factor of the fourth degree polynomial. So by using this data you have to show that a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. Okay, let name the given polynomial as px. First, let px equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. And the another polynomial is x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Children, given that x square minus 1 is a factor of px, that means you can divide the second degree polynomial as the product of two linear polynomials. Okay, let me explain how you can split this as a product of two linear polynomials. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Yes, x square means x square, you can write 1 as 1 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so you can split the x square minus 1 square in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here a is x and b is 1. So write this formula in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that's why you can write this as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, so you can write this second degree polynomial as product of two linear polynomials. So one is x plus 1 and the another one is x minus 1. So here given that x square minus 1 is a factor of px, that's why x plus 1 and x minus 1 are also factors of the polynomial px. Okay, first one, since x plus 1 is a factor of px, factor means yes, remainder should be equal to 0, that is p of minus 1 is equal to 0, since x plus 1 divides the polynomial px, that means x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial px. Factor means the remainder should be equal to 0. According to the remainder theorem, you can easily calculate the remainder without doing the actual calculation. Yes, that is, you have to substitute 0 of the polynomial of x plus 1 in the polynomial px. That value gives the remainder. Okay, so what is the 0 value of the polynomial x plus 1? Yes, x plus 1 is equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 1. Okay, that's why you have to substitute minus 1 in the place of px, which gives the value of the remainder. And this value is remainder is equal to 0 because of x plus 1 is a factor of px. Okay, now calculate the p of minus 1. What is the actual polynomial? Ax power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Substitute minus 1 in the place of x, that is a into minus 1 to the power of 4 plus b into minus 1 cube plus c into minus 1 square plus d into minus 1 plus e is equal to 0. Simplify this. A into minus 1 power 4 is nothing but 1, that is a into 1 a minus 1 cube, it gives the minus 1 value, minus 1 into plus b, that is minus b, minus 1 square, it gives the positive value, that is 1 into c plus c, plus d into minus 1 minus d plus e is equal to 0. Now write the positive values first and after that write the negative values, that is a plus c plus e minus b minus d is equal to 0. That is a plus c plus e. Take the minus value as common. That is, if you take minus as common, the remaining values are b plus d is equal to 0. Now transpose the b plus d value from LHS to RHS. That is, a plus c plus e is equal to minus of b plus d. If you transpose this, it becomes positive value, that is b plus d. Name this as equation 1. Okay. Now the second condition. First one is x plus 1 is a factor of px. Now x minus 1 is also a factor of the px. This is the second case. Now do the second one also. Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, that means the remainder when px is divided by the x minus 1 should be equal to 0. That is, p of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay, that is p1 equal to 0. Now substitute 1 in the place of x. That is a into 1 power 4 plus b into 1 cube plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e is equal to 0. Since the equation is polynomial is x power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, that's why I substitute 1 in the place of x. Okay, now simplify this. A into 1 power 4, 1 power 4 is nothing but 1, that is a into 1, a plus 1 cube means 1, that is b, here also c plus d plus e is equal to 0. Okay, now here all the values are having the symbols plus, so you can write anyway in the you can write any order. So that's why I'm writing this according to the based on the first equation. I writing these values as a plus c plus e plus b plus d is equal to 0. Okay, you can write anyway by changing their places. Okay, now substitute b plus d in the place of a plus c plus e, because in the equation 1 you can see that b plus d equal to a plus c plus e. That means you can substitute in the place of a plus c plus e b plus d. That's why I am replacing a plus c plus e with the b plus d. So that is b plus d plus b plus d is equal to 0. I wrote the b plus d value as it is here, and I replace a plus c plus e with the values b plus d, because in equation 1 you can see that b plus d equal to a plus c plus e. Write the reason also from equation 1. Here one b plus d and another b plus d, that means 2 b plus d's, that is 2 into b plus d is equal to 0. Now transpose the 2 value, you can get b plus d is equal to 0. Name this value equation as 2. So from equation 2 you can see that b plus d equal to 0, and if you substitute this value in the equation 1, you can get a plus c plus e is also 0. Okay, substitute 2 in equation 1. What is the equation 2? That is b plus d equal to 0. And if you substitute in the equation 1, what is equation 1 here? A plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. Since from 2 b plus d is equal to 0, So if you substitute 0 in the place of b plus d, you can get a plus c plus e is equal to 0, and name this as equation 3. Okay, equation 2 tells us b plus d equal to 0, and equation 3 tells us a plus c plus e equal to 0. So from equation 2 and 3 you can say that a plus c plus e equal to b plus d is equal to 0. Hence our problem proved. So that is we need to show here a plus c plus e equal to b plus d equal to 0. That result we showed here. Okay, hence showed. Okay.